Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. If you are new in this channel, make sure guys first of all like, share and subscribe my channel. And before that guys, I recently created my telegram channel where 700 people are already joined. So make sure guys join my telegram and you will get new eardrops where you can earn more money. So make sure guys join my telegram and let's talk about today second video code, which is like 10 passive income idea Tapswap code. Okay, the code was REN RENEWABLE renewable. And I already watched this video 2 times and I genuinely find renewable. Hope this code works, and I think this will be work. And if this works, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and just don't forget to subscribe my channel and just leave a lovely comment which motivates me, and I will make more videos like this. So make sure you guys join my telegram, and the code was renewable and you will get 400k tokens. Make sure you guys join my channel, and thanks for watching. Peace out and subscribe for more videos.